In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Jira error code 403 step by step. This is a very common issue that happens when Jira blocks access due to permission problems, login issues, or API token misconfigurations. Whether you're trying to access a Jira board, calendar, project, or even using the Jira API, this guide will walk you through the exact fixes you need. Make sure you watch until the end because one small step is often missed, and that's usually what causes the error to keep coming back. If this video helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Jira and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should always try when you see Jira error code 403 is logging out and logging back in. This sounds simple, but it fixes a surprising number of cases. Sometimes your session expires, your permissions change, or Jira just needs to refresh your access. To do this, click on your profile icon in Jira, log out completely, close your browser tab, then open Jira again and sign back in using the correct account. Make sure you're logging in with the email that actually has access to the project. Once you're logged back in, try opening the board, calendar, or project again and see if the 403 error is gone. If logging out and back in doesn't fix the issue, the next step is to check project permissions. This is the most common real cause of Jira error code 403. Navigate to the Jira project that's showing the error. Inside the project, look for the three dots or Project Settings menu. Click on it, then select the option to add people or manage access. From here, verify that your user account is actually added to the project. If not, add your email and assign the correct role, such as member, developer, or administrator, depending on what you need to do. After adding yourself or confirming your role, refresh the page and try accessing the project again. In many cases, the 403 error disappears immediately once the correct permissions are applied. Now, let's talk about the third scenario, which is especially important if you're using the Jira API or connecting Jira to another tool. If you're getting a 403 error while using an API request, the problem is usually related to your API token or account access. First, make sure your API token is still valid and hasn't been deleted or regenerated. If you're unsure, go to your Atlassian account, create a new API token, and update it wherever you're using it. Next, double-check that the email address associated with the token is correct. This email must match the Jira user that has access to the project. Finally, confirm that the project you're trying to access is actually accessible to that user. Even a valid token will return a 403 error if the user doesn't have permission for the project. Once you confirm all three of these points, test the API request again. After completing these steps, most Jira 403 errors should be fully resolved. If you're still seeing the issue, repeat the permission check carefully and make sure you're not logged into multiple Atlassian accounts in different browser profiles. Jira can be very strict about access, and even a small mismatch can trigger a 403 error. And that's it. You now know how to fix Jira error code 403 by logging out and back in, checking project permissions, and validating API tokens and user access. If this video helped you, make sure to like it and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Jira tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.